Do you feel YouTube shows the same type of videos again and again? Motivation, drama, shorts, same loop every day? That's not random. YouTube is deciding what you watch next. But one simple setting can stop this algorithm control. Most people don't even know it exists, and it's enabled by default on many phones. What is the setting? This setting is called Pause Watch History. It stops YouTube from recording the videos you watch. YouTube uses this tracking data to decide your next recommendations. Why turn it off? Because YouTube tracks everything you watch and search. This data influences your recommendations. And when you pause watch history, YouTube stops learning from your new activity. Your feed stops repeating the same type of content. You get more variety and control. How to turn it off? First of all, open YouTube. Then tap your profile picture. After that, tap the settings icon. Then tap on Manage All History. After that, tap on Controls. Then tap on Turn Off. Finally, tap on Pause. After you pause, you fix YouTube recommendations and your feed slowly resets to show fresh new content. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more YouTube tips.